All right. Again, moved my desk just a little bit so you can see my awesome poster over here. This is Sigmund Freud telling a unicorn to believe in himself. Sigmund Freud was a very famous psychologist. And yes, Captain Marvel. I love Captain Marvel movie because all the music and all the things that happened in that time is when I was about your age, about 14 or 15. So this is awesome. All right. Now we're doing step functions. Okay, not too bad. We've already done step functions and how to match them and stuff like that. We're going to go over graphing a few of them. This is a pretty short lesson. Again, this would be something to use technology. So here's the big thing that you need to remember. These are my Y values. Okay, so step functions have all horizontal lines, like they look like steps. Okay, so let's look at this one. This is when y is 2. Okay, so let's go to 2. 1, 2. All right, when x equals 0, so that means we have a closed circle here, and it goes 1, 2, 3, and then an open circle here. That's it. Super hard. All right, on to this one. This is 5. That was 2, so this is 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2. Now this is a closed circle here. So 3, 4, and then 5 is an open circle. And that's got that one. And now we go to our last one here, where y is -4. So we got to go down here to 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a closed circle here. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bam! Ta-da! All right. Not too awful bad. Basically, here's your y values, making sure that you have the open circles at these points of discontinuity. Step functions are kind of like they're related to piecewise, but they're not. I don't know. They just look like steps, guys. I mean, that's it. So there it is. All right. Oh, now we get to actually write it. So this is what I would do first. Okay. I'm going to just go in order. I'm going to do this one first. This looks like it has a y value of 2. And x is going to be in the middle. There's an open circle here, so there's no line, and then there's a closed circle. All right, this looks to be -1, 2. So I can go ahead and write that. Those are stitching. Okay, -2. 3, 4, 5. To -5. All right. And let's do this one. I don't really know if the order matters. I think it has to matter by like the x values as you read them left to right, just like it was on the last one. So, all right. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is -3, and we know that this is going to be -2 here. No line. There's an x, and there looks to be a closed circle here. So this is 1, 2, and 3. All right. This is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4. Looks like we had a 3 there. So open circle. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Ta-da! That's it. You need to believe in yourself, just like 11 and all the other friends in Stranger Things, because they're always looking on. Okay. All right. Now, here we have a word problem. And when I found this word problem, I kind of giggled at myself because I've actually had kimchi. I know how how traditional kimchi is made. It's kind of interesting that sometimes it's actually buried in the ground. So here's all these words telling us this right here, where it's fermented, this. Okay, lots of words. We don't even really need to know this. We just need to go right here. All right, so use my colors. So I'm going to go to 70. We have a closed circle at 0, and then make sure I'm on the right thing. Yep. So 1, 2, and 3, open circle, and bam. All right. So 50, closed circle at 3, 4, 5, 6, open circle. That one's done. And then this one, 35. So these go up by 10, so we can pretty much know that this should be 35 right here. All right, so 35 goes from 6 closed circle to 12 closed circle. And that's kind of it. All right. Don't really know how this is going to look on the practice test and test. Probably going to be pretty easy because we've actually done these before. That's it for today's lesson. Pretty short and sweet to the point. Okay. Again, I'm not a very big fan of graphing on paper because everything's done. You can do it electronical now. But that's going to be it. All right. I hope y'all have a great day. Roll Tide.